In this video, you will learn how to get a car dealer license in South Carolina. Choose your dealership license type. Select the correct license type, such as new, used, wholesale, wholesale auction, based on your kind of dealership you plan to operate. Establish a permanent business location. Secure a business site that meets the South Carolina Department of Motor Vehicle or SCDMV requirements, including an office, display area, and visible signage. Register your business. File your business entity with the South Carolina Secretary of State and obtain a Federal Employer Identification Number or EIN number from the IRS. Obtain a bond and insurance. Provide a $30,000 bond and proof of garage liability insurance before you apply for your license. Complete the dealer license application. Fill out the SCDMV dealer license application form DLA1 and include all required documents, such as zoning approval, photographs of your business, and ownership information. Submit your application and the fee. Send your completed application package and the licensing fee to the SCDMV license. Then wait for approval. Now you know how to get car dealer license in South Carolina. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.